In this video, we listed the 5 best electric bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Jetson LX10 electric bike. The electric ride-on with pegs offers a convenient and stylish way to enjoy riding without the need for pedals, featuring a powerful 250-watt motor that provides a maximum range of 15 miles, though actual range may vary based on rider weight and conditions. It is equipped with a concealed and rechargeable lithium-ion battery, ensuring easy charging. Safety is enhanced with LED headlights and rear lights for improved visibility during rides. The LX10 also boasts an easy folding mechanism for simple storage and transport. Adventure awaits with its twist throttle, allowing for seamless acceleration. Furthermore, the product is UL 2272 certified, ensuring it meets safety standards for electric ride-on vehicles. Number 2. Peak 3000W electric bike. The ANIIOKI G7 electric bike is a high-performance model designed for adventure enthusiasts, featuring a striking blue aluminum frame and a 26-inch wheel size suitable for various terrains. Powered by a robust 3000W peak motor, this bike offers incredible speeds of up to 38 miles per hour, ensuring an exhilarating ride. It is equipped with a removable 52V23R battery that provides a substantial range of 55 to 80 miles with pedal assist, or 26 to 34 miles on electric power alone, charging fully in just 7 to 8 hours. The bike incorporates front suspension for improved comfort and stability, along with a professional 7-speed transmission system, making it adept at navigating rugged landscapes. Additionally, the 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires enhance grip and stability across diverse surfaces, while front and rear hydraulic disc brakes ensure quick and reliable stopping power. Riders can choose from 5 distinct modes: electric, pedal assist, cruise, manual, and walk, making it versatile for different riding preferences, all displayed on an upgraded LCD screen for easy monitoring. With features like water resistance, a phone holder with USB ports, and substantial included accessories, the ANIIOKI G7 is tailored for both adventurous and everyday use. Number 3. ANIIOKI A9 Pro electric bike. The ANIIOKI A9 Pro Max electric bike is a powerful and versatile option designed for both thrill seekers and commuters, boasting a peak power of 2000W from its 1600W rear motor, enabling speeds over 33 miles per hour and the ability to tackle steep slopes up to 45 degrees. It features robust 26-inch by 4.8-inch fat tires that ensure a smooth ride across various terrains, while the impressive 52V60R lithium battery provides a long range of 100 to 200 miles on a single charge. The bike is equipped with advanced safety features, including hydraulic disc brakes for superior stopping power, a hydraulic suspension fork for enhanced comfort, and puncture-proof tires. A full-color smart display offers essential ride information and mobile app compatibility for added convenience and security. With its durable aluminum frame, a 7-speed gear system, and integrated lighting for visibility, the ANIIOKI A9 Pro Max is engineered for performance, control, and safety, making it an ideal choice for any rider. Number 4. Schwinn Mendocino electric bike. The Schwinn Mint Green e-bike is a lightweight, versatile option featuring a durable 16.5-inch aluminum frame, designed for riders between 64 to 74 inches tall, with seat adjustments accommodating inseams from 27.7 to 33.6. This e-bike boasts a robust 250-watt brushless geared hub drive motor, offering pedal assist and throttle-only options, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The rear rack-mounted battery provides a range of 35 to 55 miles per charge, recharging fully in just 4 hours. Equipped with a 6-speed drivetrain and grip shifter, it ensures smooth gear transitions, while mechanical disc brakes enhance stopping power on its alloy double-wall rims with 2.125-inch tires. Additional features include a digital display, adjustable seat, a comfortable upright riding position, and fenders for splash protection, making it a practical and enjoyable choice for urban cycling. Number 5. Cityfun Folding Electric Bike. The Bike electric bike is a versatile and powerful option designed for urban commuting and recreational riding. Featuring a robust 500W brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour, it offers 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and traditional biking, allowing users to customize their experience. The bike is equipped with a 48V 10.4Ah removable battery, ensuring convenience and security while providing a range of up to 34 miles in electric-only mode. Its durable carbon steel frame, front suspension, and dual disc brakes enhance safety and comfort during rides. Additional features include a colorful LCD display for tracking performance, integrated lights for visibility, and a foldable design for easy transport and storage. Weighing only 70 pounds and with 90% of the assembly completed prior to shipping, the bike comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for those seeking an efficient and enjoyable cycling experience.